Hello friends, welcome back to this kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you how to prepare one of the most delicious soup you will ever love to try out. We are making delicious Nigerian chicken okra soup. I will also show you the simplest and quickest method of preparing this soup. So let's get started. Here I have some chopped chicken that I've already washed clean behind the camera. And now let's season the chicken before cooking them. First, I added some salt, chopped onions, seasoning powder and some mashed garlic. And next, mix together. I know you might be wondering why we added just few ingredients to the chicken. Remember we are cooking okra soup, as curry, thyme and others are totally optional. I don't like using them for okra soup as they don't go well for me. Mixing the ingredients very well. You can set it aside for about 30 minutes to an hour before cooking. But if you are in a hurry, cover and take to the stove top without adding water and cook. Please know that this is so important if you want your chicken to be tasty. And after 7 minutes of cooking, this is how the chicken looks like. It has released its own juice. So I'll just stir it and I'll be going in with more water so that it can be well cooked. After adding the water, I also went in with some shrimps. Stir, cover and allow to cook for about 7 minutes. And after 7 minutes of cooking, you can see that our chicken is ready. At this point, you can decide to grill your chicken or just go ahead and cook with it. But for me, I prefer grilling my chicken because I want it to be a little bit hardened. So I transfer them to oven tray to grill for about 40 minutes. As we grill the chicken, let's prepare the other ingredients we'll be using for making this delicious chicken okra soup. First, we start by grating the okra with the bigger side of the kitchen grater. You can also use a kitchen knife to do this or food processor. And after grating the okra, this is how it looks like. We set aside. And next is to chop the vegetable. And for the vegetable, I'm using ugu leaf. You can also use bitter leaf, uziza leaf, or any vegetable of your choice. So I pick and slice the vegetable into bigger chunks. You can also slice your own into smaller chunks. This depends on what you want. And after slicing the vegetable, we set aside. We'll also be needing some crayfish for this recipe. So I'll give my crayfish a quick rinse before blending. And after rinsing, add to the blender. For this recipe, I'll be using some scotch bonnet pepper, garlic and onions. So I'll go ahead and add them to the blender. Add water and blend. You can decide to blend it very smooth or rough. This depends on what you want. For me, I prefer my own not too smooth. And after blending, it's time to cook our delicious soup. This is the chicken broth with the shrimps. I'll be adding most of the ingredients we'll be using for cooking this soup. First, I added the blended pepper and crayfish. Next, I went in with the locust beans. This gives the okra soup nice taste. Then little oil, cause I like my okra soup to be almost green. Next, added little salt, a seasoning cube. Remember we already have all these in the chicken broth. I also added some cow skin. And now let's add the grilled chicken. You can see how it looks like. This looks a little bit hardened. And after adding the chicken, stir and cover and allow to cook for about 7 minutes. And after 7 minutes, open and stir. And now go in with the grated okra. Add the okra, stir well to combine. After stirring, cover the pot halfway, as you do not need to cover your pot totally after adding the okra, because this might prevent the okra soup to be very slimy. And now allow this to cook for 2 more minutes. And after 2 minutes, open and stir, then go in with the vegetables. And after adding the vegetables, stir together to be well combined. After stirring, cover the pot halfway once again and allow to cook for just a minute. And after cooking for a minute, open and stir once again. Then our delicious chicken okra soup is ready. Wow, this smells and looks nice. Calling for any swallow of your choice. Eba, fufu, pounded yam, amala, or any of your choice. As you can see, this process of preparing chicken okra soup was easy and simple. And if you find this very helpful, please don't forget to click on the like button, share with your loved ones, and kindly give this a try and let me know how it came out for you in the comments. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly do well to subscribe to Udu's Kitchen and turn on the bell icon so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be notified. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. God bless.